consider a triangle. Suppose this is triangle ABC. Suppose this is triangle ABC. At B, suppose here we have 90 degrees. Here we have another two angles, angle A and angle C. Here first consider triangle ABC. Let this be a right angle. We have remaining two angles. Suppose this is an angle theta. Suppose this is an angle theta. Here in this we have three sides, AB, BC and AC or CA. Here see, here AC is the biggest side because of here which is the biggest angle. Here which is 90 degrees. Therefore opposite side of 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. Opposite side of 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. Here which is the side which is opposite to theta, therefore which is known as opposite side. Opposite side. Here two sides are named like hypotenuse and opposite side. We have another side that is adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta. Therefore this side is called as adjacent side. Adjacent side. Here in this right angle triangle we have three sides. They are, first one is hypotenuse which is opposite to 90 degrees, which is opposite side which is opposite to theta degrees, which is adjacent side which is adjacent to theta. Here by using these three measurements, by using these three lengths, means by using AB, BC, CA measurements, we can write 6 different ratios only. 6 different ratios only. By using three sides AB, BC, CA, we can write only 6 types of ratios. First one is, we may write like this: BC by AC, which is a ratio. Next, we may use AB and AC. AB and AC used here, that is ratio is AB by AC. We may write another different ratio, that is BC by AB also. BC by AB also. Here like this, three different ratios written. By using these three sides, we can write, can we write any other ratio? By using these three different measurements, by using these three different measurements, here written three different ratios. We can write by using these three measurements like this also. Just write the multiplicative inverse of this ratio. Multiplicative inverse of this ratio. We may write multiplicative inverse of this ratio. We may write multiplicative inverse of this ratio. Here these are the ratios written by those three sides. We may write multiplicative inverses to these ratios also. First I am writing multiplicative inverse of this BC by AC. That is what? AC by BC. We may write a multiplicative inverse of this also. That is AC by AB. We may write a multiplicative inverse of this also. That is BC by AB. BC by AB. Here BC is the BC by, which is the multiplicative inverse of, which is the here we may write like this: multiplicative inverse of BC by AB is AB by BC. Here these are the multiplicative inverses of these three ratios. Here BC is the opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta. AC is the hypotenuse. Similarly, here also we may write AB is the adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Similarly, BC is the opposite side to theta. Opposite side to theta, which is the adjacent side to theta. Simply we may write opposite side by hypotenuse, which is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is opposite side by adjacent side. Here which is the multiplicative inverse of this, means which is the hypotenuse, which is the opposite side, means hypotenuse by opposite side, which is the hypotenuse by adjacent side, which is the AB. AB is the adjacent side. Adjacent side by BC means opposite side. Here these 6 ratios written by using these 3 measurements. Here opposite side by hypotenuse is known as sin theta. Here adjacent side by hypotenuse is known as cos theta. This ratio is known as tan theta. Here multiplicative inverse of sin is known as cosec theta. Multiplicative inverse of cosine is known as secant theta. Multiplicative inverse of tangent is known as cotangent theta. Here these 3 ratios written as multiplicative inverses. Multiplicative inverses of these 3 ratios are known as cosec, sec, cot. Simply we can write CSC theta, sec theta, cot theta. Here these 3 and these 3, totally 6 ratios are known as trigonometric ratios. These are called definitions of trigonometric ratios. Here these definitions depends upon this right angle triangle. Here supposed as theta, which is opposite side to theta, which is the side opposite to theta, therefore it is named as opposite side, which is the adjacent side to theta, therefore this is named as adjacent side. Here this is the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. By using these 3 measurements, here 6 ratios explained and written as sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot.